Saturday morning in Seattle.
Good morning. Busy market today.
Yes, there are many people.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, not every weekend.
I enjoy Saturday mornings here.
I can understand why.
Have you bought anything yet?
Just coffee, nothing else.
The coffee smells wonderful.
Yes, it's very fresh.
What are you looking for?
Some fruit and vegetables.
There are many good stands.
I noticed that immediately.
Do you cook at home?
Usually, a few times weekly.
What do you like cooking?
Simple meals, nothing complicated.
Simple food can be great.
That's my cooking style.
Have you lived in Seattle long?
About 2 years now.
Do you like it here?
Yes, especially the parks.
Seattle has beautiful parks.
And good walking paths.
That's true.
The rain was difficult at first.
Many people say that.
Now I'm used to it.
That's the Seattle experience.
I even carry an umbrella.
Then you're prepared.
Most of the time.
What are your plans today?
Shopping, then visiting friends.
Sounds like a pleasant day.
I hope so.
Don't forget your vegetables.
Thanks, I almost forgot already.
Good thing we talked.
Very good thing.
Coffee at the corner cafe.
Good morning. Nice day outside.
Yes, it's a beautiful morning.
Do you come here often?
Maybe once or twice weekly.
Then you're a regular customer.
I guess so, almost.
What do you usually order?
Coffee, and sometimes a muffin.
Simple and delicious.
That's my goal every morning.
Have you tried their sandwiches?
No, not yet.
They're quite popular here.
Maybe I'll try one today.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee, without question.
A strong opinion.
Yes, coffee starts my day.
I understand that completely. Do you drink much coffee?
2 cups most days.
That's about the same. Have you lived nearby long?
Around 3 years now.
Then you know the area.
Pretty well, I think.
What's your favorite place nearby?
The Riverside walking path.
That's a lovely choice.
I go there often.
Before work or after?
Usually after work.
Sounds very relaxing.
It helps clear my mind,
Everyone needs that sometimes.
especially after busy days.
I couldn't agree more.
Oh, my coffee's ready.
Perfect timing.
And my muffin too.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks. Enjoy your morning.
Walking to Pike Place Market.
Good morning. Heading to the market?
Yes, Pike Place Market, I think.
You're going the right way.
That's good. I wasn't sure.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, my first time in Seattle.
Welcome. Are you enjoying it?
Very much. The city feels friendly.
What have you seen so far?
The waterfront and some parks.
Nice. The market is famous.
I've heard that many times.
What do you want to buy?
Maybe coffee and local snacks.
Good choices for visitors.
I like simple plans.
The market can be busy.
I noticed many people already.
Saturdays are especially crowded.
Then I'll walk slowly.
That's probably a smart idea.
Do you visit often?
A few times each month.
Then you know it well.
Well enough to avoid crowds.
I need that skill.
What brings you to Seattle?
A short family vacation.
How long are you staying?
4 days, maybe 5.
That's enough to explore.
I hope so.
The market is close now.
Really? That was quick.
See the sign ahead?
Yes, I can see it.
That's Pike Place Market.
Great. I finally made it.
Enjoy your visit.
Thanks. And thanks for helping.
You're welcome. Have fun exploring.
I definitely will today.
Buying flowers at the market. Those flowers are beautiful today.
Yes, they really are.
Are you buying some?
I think so. Maybe.
What kind do you like?
I don't know much about flowers.
That's okay. Neither do many people.
Good. I'm not alone.
Do you need them for someone?
Yes, for my wife.
That's very thoughtful.
Her birthday is tomorrow.
Then flowers are a nice choice.
I hope she likes them.
What colors does she like?
Blue and purple, usually.
These bouquets have both colors.
They look very nice.
Do you want something simple?
Yes, not too large.
This bouquet seems perfect.
Is it too small?
Not at all.
I always worry about gifts.
Many people feel that way.
Really? That's reassuring.
Does your wife like surprises?
Yes, especially small surprises.
Then these flowers should work.
I think you're right.
Are you doing anything else?
Dinner at her favorite restaurant.
That sounds wonderful.
I hope everything goes well.
I'm sure it will.
Now I just need confidence.
The flowers are helping already.
Maybe. They look cheerful.
That's the power of flowers.
You're right. I'll take them.
Great choice. Happy birthday to her.
Thanks. She'll love the surprise.
Watching the fish throwers.
Have you seen this before?
No, this is amazing.
The fish throwers are famous.
I can see why.
They make work look fun.
Yes, everyone is smiling.
Are you visiting Seattle?
Yes, for a few days.
Then this is a must-see.
I'm glad I came.
Did you expect this?
Not at all, never.
The fish travel pretty far.
That's what surprised me.
They have good teamwork.
Very good, and quick too.
Would you catch a fish?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
I would probably drop it.
That's a fair answer.
Those fish look heavy.
Some of them are.
Do they do this daily?
Yes, many times each day.
That must take practice.
A lot of practice.
I'm impressed by their skills.
The crowd seems impressed too.
Everyone is taking photos.
Did you take any?
Yes, quite a few.
Good memories for your trip.
Definitely. My family will enjoy them.
Are they traveling with you?
No, they stayed home.
Then you'll have stories to tell.
Especially about flying fish.
Not something you see everywhere.
That's true. Seattle is unique.
Enjoy the rest of your visit.
Thanks. This was unforgettable.
Lunch at the waterfront.
This is a great view.
Yes, the water looks beautiful.
Have you eaten here before?
No, this is my first time.
Then you picked a good spot.
I was lucky today.
What did you order?
Fish and chips, and the drink.
A classic waterfront meal.
That's what I heard.
Does it look good?
Yes, and it smells great.
That's always a good sign.
I hope you're right.
Are you visiting Seattle?
Yes, just for a few days.
Have you enjoyed the city?
Very much, especially the waterfront.
It's popular with visitors.
I can understand why.
Did you visit the market?
Yes, this morning,
What was your favorite part?
watching the fish throwers.
Most people love that.
It was fun to watch.
Any plans after lunch?
Maybe a ferry ride.
That's a good idea.
Have you taken it before?
Many times over the years.
Is the view nice?
The view is wonderful.
Then I'll definitely go.
The weather is perfect today.
I wish I could stay longer.
Seattle has that effect.
I'm starting to believe that.
Enjoy your lunch first.
Good advice. It's getting cold.
Then don't keep it waiting.
I won't make that mistake.
Rain at the bookstore.
Quite a rainy afternoon today.
Yes, and I forgot my umbrella.
Seattle loves surprising visitors.
I am learning that quickly.
Did you come here for books?
Yes, and to stay dry.
Both are good reasons.
The bookstore feels very cozy.
It does on rainy days.
Do you visit often?
Usually once every week.
That's a nice habit.
What kind of books do you enjoy?
Simple mysteries and travel stories.
Those are popular choices.
I like easy reading.
Reading should be enjoyable.
Sometimes difficult books discourage me.
That happens to many readers.
Good. I thought it was only me.
Not at all.
Have you found anything interesting today?
Yes, a book about Seattle.
That sounds useful for visitors.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, just for the weekend.
Have you enjoyed it so far?
Very much, except the rain.
The rain is part of Seattle.
Everyone keeps telling me that.
Soon you'll believe it.
Maybe, if it rains tomorrow.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Is the rain getting heavier?
It looks like it.
Then I'll stay longer.
A bookstore is a good place.
I agree. Books and dry shoes.
That's a winning combination.
Much better than getting soaked.
Enjoy your afternoon here.
Thanks. I think I will.
Buying a used book.
Finding anything interesting today?
Maybe. I'm still looking.
This store has many choices.
Yes, almost too many choices.
What kind of books do you like?
Mystery books and true stories.
Those shelves are over there.
Thanks. I just checked them.
Did you find anything good?
A few books caught my attention.
That's always a good sign.
One book looks very interesting.
What's it about?
A traveler crossing America.
That sounds exciting.
I enjoy travel stories.
Do you travel often?
Not often. Maybe once yearly.
Then books are useful.
Yes, they take me places.
I like that idea.
Books are cheaper than flights.
That's certainly true.
This book costs only $5.
That's a good price.
The cover looks a little old.
Used books often do.
The pages seem fine, though.
That's what matters most.
Do you buy used books? All the time. Why do you prefer them?
They have character and history.
I never thought about that.
Sometimes old notes are inside.
Really? That sounds interesting.
Small surprises between pages.
I like surprises like that.
So, will you buy it?
Yes, I think this book is coming home.
Excellent choice.
Thanks. Now I need time to read.
Dinner in Chinatown.
This restaurant smells wonderful.
Yes, I'm already hungry.
Have you eaten here before?
No, it's my first visit.
Then you're in for a treat.
I hope so. Everything looks good.
Have you checked the menu?
Yes, but it's difficult.
Too many choices?
Exactly. I want everything.
That's a common problem.
A delicious problem.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
Then choose carefully.
Good advice. I learned before.
What happened?
I ordered something very spicy.
Was it a surprise?
A huge surprise.
Did you finish it?
Yes, but very slowly.
That's impressive.
I drank lots of water.
What are you thinking about today?
Maybe noodles and vegetables.
That sounds like a safe choice.
Safe can be good sometimes.
I agree.
Do you come here often?
A few times every month.
Then you know the best dishes.
I have a few favorites.
Maybe I'll try one.
Feeling adventurous tonight?
A little, but not too adventurous.
Fair enough.
The food is arriving already.
That was fast.
Great. I'm ready to eat.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks, and wish me luck.
Buying an umbrella.
That's a lot of rain.
Yes, and I'm completely unprepared.
Did you forget your umbrella?
I didn't bring one today.
That happens sometimes.
Unfortunately, on the wettest day.
Are you looking for an umbrella?
Yes, before I get soaked.
There are several choices here.
I see that. Maybe too many.
Do you want a small one?
Something easy to carry.
This black umbrella folds nicely.
It looks useful.
And it's not expensive.
That's good. I'm on a budget.
How often do you use umbrellas?
Not often where I live.
Then Seattle is surprising you.
Very much.
How long are you visiting?
Just 3 more days.
You may need this umbrella.
I think you're right.
Do you like this color?
Black is fine.
There are blue ones too.
And the blue one looks nicer.
It does stand out.
I'll take the blue one.
Good choice.
Hopefully, it lasts a while.
It looks pretty strong.
That's important in this weather.
Is the rain getting heavier?
Yes, I can hear it.
Then you picked the right day.
Better today than tomorrow.
Ready to face the rain?
As ready as possible.
Good luck out there.
Thanks. Me and my umbrella.
You did great today. Keep learning real English conversations, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice.